Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use HeyGen AI for free unlimited. If you're new to HeyGen and want to create AI avatar videos without spending money, this guide is for you. First, open HeyGen and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can start creating videos. Now click on Create Video. HeyGen will show you different AI avatars. Choose the one you like. Don't spend too much time here because you can always change it later. Next, paste your script into the text box. If you haven't written a script yet, I recommend doing that first. It saves time and helps you avoid unnecessary edits. After that, select a voice for your avatar. Listen to a few samples and pick the one that sounds natural for your content. Now click Preview. This lets you check how the avatar looks and sounds before generating the final video. If you notice any mistakes, fix them now instead of creating the video again. Once everything looks good, click Generate Video and wait for HeyGen to process it. The generation time depends on the length of your script. When the video is ready, review it one more time and then download it to your device. A quick tip: if you're using the free version, create shorter videos and plan your content before generating. This helps you make better use of the free credits available in your account. And that's it. That's how you can use HeyGen AI for free and start creating AI avatar videos in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.